Puerto Rico unboxing the new Samsung Galaxy S20 5G, S20 Plus 5G, and the S20 Ultra 5G. These are the next generation Galaxy smartphones with revolutionary cameras up to 100 times space zoom. That's incredible. And no better place to unbox them than soaring through the first nationwide 5G network from Hawaii all the way across the country to here in Puerto Rico. All right, so we're on the Monster, the longest zipline in the Americas, over 28 football fields long. That's a whole lot of space zoom.
Whoa,
are you ready?
I'm ready.
Woohoo! Let's go! All right, so let's talk about the screen. Beautiful Infinity O screen, huge battery, and unbelievable camera capability. Both from a 40 or a 10 megapixel front facing. Look at that camera away. So good. Woo-hoo-hoo. All the way up to 8K video. Woo! At 108 megapixels still, or 64 megapixels. Look at that. We got a pro mode video with all the settings. Yeah! Let's check out space zoom at 90 miles an hour. And you guys gotta try single take. What do you think?